FutureATT New Generation Ultra-Large Fully Compatible SMT Automatic Labeling Machine. Eliminate equipment size restrictions, support labeling for all types of electronic components. Compatible with bare reels, bagged reels, and material magazines ranging from 7 to 15 inches. Labeling system supports docking with all open interface WMS, ERP, MES. Bagged and boxed materials are manually loaded at the feeding ports. Bare reels are manually loaded onto the turntable in batches. Full process automation, feeding, recognition, labeling, scan inspection, and unloading. The machine innovatively adopts a dual-channel independent operation architecture. Dual stations operate synchronously without mutual interference. It perfectly meets the production demands for high-volume material labeling. Equipped with high-precision CCD visual positioning and servo-drive system. High labeling speed and outstanding labeling precision. Comes with a real automatic code reading and reinspection system. Real-time verifies labeling quality and data accuracy. Automatically sort materials according to work order information fed back by MES. Materials can be classified into first-run kits, non-first-run kits, IC components, and other types. Equipped with an intelligent early warning protection system. NG materials will be conveyed to the NG discharge port. Boasting core advantages including high-efficiency dual-channel design, full-type material compatibility, and stable high-precision operation. Deliver efficient, precise, and standardized automatic labeling solutions for SMT workshops.